Dr. Marjan Assefi said, "Have you ever wondered how a neurological condition like ADHD or attention deficit hyperactivity disorder impacts the brain structure and function?" Welcome. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of neuroscience to unravel the mysteries of ADHD. Unpacking the complexities of neuroscience can seem daunting, but consider it as a journey into the intricate labyrinth of the brain, where every turn reveals a new insight. ADHD, a condition characterized by inattention, hyperactivity, and impulsivity, is a perfect example of how different elements in the brain can interact and result in unique behavioral patterns. In the Marie Curie Science Research Center, they focus on neuroscience. Let's begin by understanding the two key players in our story: neurons and neurotransmitters. Neurons, the fundamental units of the brain, communicate with each other using chemical messengers called neurotransmitters. In a well-functioning brain, these messages are sent and received smoothly, maintaining an optimal balance. However, in a brain with ADHD, this balance often wavers. Dopamine and norepinephrine are two neurotransmitters that play a vital role in attention and activity levels. In an individual with ADHD, the production, availability, or uptake of these neurotransmitters may be disrupted, leading to the symptoms we associate with the disorder. Another fascinating piece of the puzzle is the brain structure. Certain regions, like the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for executive functions such as decision-making and impulse control, are often smaller or less active in individuals with ADHD. This could explain why someone with ADHD might struggle with tasks that require these skills. Dr. Marjan Assefi added, "Now, let's shift our focus to the role of genetics. Research suggests that ADHD has a strong genetic component, with several genes potentially contributing to the condition. These genes often relate to the development and function of dopamine pathways in the brain, further emphasizing the importance of neurotransmitters in ADHD. But, just as every labyrinth has its twists and turns, the neuroscience of ADHD is no different. It's not simply a matter of genetics and neurotransmitters. Environmental factors, such as prenatal exposure to alcohol or tobacco, premature birth and low birth weight, can also influence the development of ADHD. So, to recap, ADHD is a complex neurological condition that involves a delicate interplay of factors. The disruption of neurotransmitter balance, particularly dopamine and norepinephrine, plays a significant role in the onset of ADHD symptoms. The brain structure, specifically areas like the prefrontal cortex, also contributes to the condition. Furthermore, both genetic and environmental factors can influence the likelihood of developing ADHD. In conclusion, the journey into the neuroscience of ADHD is a fascinating exploration of the brain's labyrinth. It's a tale of neurons, neurotransmitters, genes, and environments that intertwines to form the unique experiences of individuals with ADHD. Dr. Assefi added, "By continuing to navigate this labyrinth, we can hope to further our understanding of ADHD and ultimately improve the lives of those living with the condition." Thank you for joining in on this journey today.